Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2007 luxury Burgman 650 touring scooter, 650 cc's, twin cylinder, automatic transmission, electric start, fuel injection. It's got a beautiful GV top case, 2-up comfort for touring around the Bay Area and beyond. Only 11,787 miles on this awesome Burgman. Come on by and make your big bore scooter dreams come true for just $49.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.